it was amazing. A-type personalities, and everybody was calm and relaxed.
I just went through the most extraordinary experience. It was surreal.
It was amazing, taking you to a whole new level of meditation. I thought I knew about gongs and bowls, but I've had an experience here like no other.
On a serious note, I mean, this is a mind-boggling, experience for me.
They saw people in the morning, the afternoon. They can't stop raving about it. It's an incredible sensation.
At every session that I sat in was just magical.
It was fabulous. I've had gong sessions before. This one took me out of this world.
The healing, transformational, amazing experience that I'd highly recommend. I got a little nervous, and then I got a little more relaxed, and then I got a little more nervous. It was like I was releasing things.
And I work with sound vibration, and I've done it for many years, and I've never experienced anything like this before.
Wonderful. It touched my soul completely.
It's something new, and it's absolutely amazing.
All the different frequencies and my different chakras actually responded so well, and it was such a wonderful session.
It was absolutely phenomenal.
My body was filled with so much vibration that I just didn't have any room for any negative thoughts.
If you have a chance to experience the gongs, don't even think about it. Go.
Enjoying it every day, and I try to come like twice a day today already.
Give it a try. It's awesome. Thanks, Delamora.
If I could, I'd take them home with me.
It was the beautiful music that they made. Check them out.